Got a little injury, kitty? Did you cut your little paw? Where did you cut your little paw, kitty? Did people throw away dirt and you cut your little paw in a bit of glass? Bad people destroy nature and they throw dirt, and little kitten like you cut their paws in the dirt that people throw away to make nature dirty. My poor kitten. I have to go to the vet. This is why people should not throw dirt in nature anymore, because little kitten like Rudolph injured their little paws. Kitty, what did you cut your little paw in? Was it some dirt thrown by tourists? Kitty. I have to go to see a vet as soon as possible to see what's wrong with your little paw that you cut. Right, Kitty?